It's a freaking...
I used to see you fuck in the shade of the trees, from the lights and the leaves to the bites on your knees. Kill the universe, might get a sight of the breeze. You're not psychic, you're free, I'm the architect.
What is up, YouTube? It's your boy Angler Boy T Black checking in from my beautiful bridge here in Key Biscayne with a whole nother video. In this video, guys, I'm gonna be using sardines, whole and cut up, to see what we can't catch. Without any further ado, guys, stick around for another lit video, y'all. Alrighty, guys, what we're gonna be going with is 1.5 ounce egg sinker, size 6 long shank mustad hook, and they call this rig a chicken rig, high-low rig, bottom rig. I just know that it works, y'all. I use it in a lot of my other videos, typically on days when it's windy or drizzling like this. So I'm gonna just get a sardine out. Some of these are pretty big, so I'll just break the head, throw that away, break the tail, and I'll just use this nice chunk middle section right here. This is a fairly big bait, y'all. So what I want to do is I'll go through the bottom since it's thinner, in and out a couple times, just like that, y'all. And close this up, put my phone away. Let's see what we can't do, y'all. Nice cast, let that go all the way down to the bottom. Close the bail. I got a nice big piece of bait on here, so let's cast it a little bit further. Started getting a bite, yo. Oh yeah, they took that bait off. fish. A little grunt. Later, buddy. Let that guy go back. Oh my god, I gotta land this. Are you serious? Dude. Got him, got him, got him, got him, got him. Oh, I got him back. I just want to get him. I don't know what it is, y'all. It's a freaking huge trigger. It's a triggerfish. Woo! Your sister! Beachy fucking triggerfish! Look at the size of that trigger, y'all. Trying to get this guy off the hook. There. Look at that, y'all. Look at that trigger, y'all. I'm gonna do my good deed for the day and let this guy go back. Later, buddy! Guys, that trigger whooped my butt. I didn't even feel him bite. Oh my gosh. Nice little yellow. Look at the size of that flag right here in Key Biscayne, y'all. That's almost a keeper size yellow. Look at the size of that yellow in the rain. Later, buddy.